Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings. That way we can fix network connection and repair network settings. First we need to open settings app. Tap on this settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Tap on this. Then go down. Here you can see reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap on this. Then tap on reset settings. Read the message, reset all network settings now. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action. Tap on OK. You can see network settings has been reset. So it has deleted Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings and Bluetooth settings. So this way we can fix network related issues. We can reset all these settings back to factory default. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.